oluusi bino ebintu tuva nabyo mu buto.
Thank you very much.
Mommy issues. You lacked a mother figure in like nga ne bwabanga wali nga teyanoba obanga nga naye teyali available.
Some are missing mothers.
Yali mukola
you want a mother.
Kati nosanga omuntu nga kulabirira jukira bino bimama bambi. She's either a divorcee or her husband died or bambi kale ng'embeera ebadde tetereranga bulungi. Kakati yefunyidde omunyama. Emmere agikusanza mu buliri ng'eyokya. Emmere agikusanza mu buliri ng'eyokya bulungi. Agenda kuwoleza akukolere what a younger girl wants to do because now they have jobs, they have to look after themselves. The nails are pretty long. Like
usually the young girls
so they find a mother figure.
No, Parvin, young girls find options.
Siganye. But what you need to know that if you lack that kind of example, it's like nga wogamba nti midlife crisis. Nti omuntu yasuba okukola kino bwakifunya agwamu kigwe. Bwabanga tewamulabirira bano ba absentee mothers or probably the mother died or yakula naba step parents oba yakulira wajjajja teyafuna mother's love. Kati buli wakulaba ne bwomugamba bugambi yes you look handsome today. Akana omukazi oba nkwana quickly. The feelings develop quickly, they're in love. And then let me tell you something about older women. They are loving, they are nurturing. They are loving. They have been through it all. Kati basigaze ekintu ekyo kye bakwagaza ekyo. That's it.